of this, what is the duty of the messenger of truth? Okay? Shall we conclude that the truth ought not to be presented, since often its only effect is to arouse men to evade or resist its claims? No. He has no more reason for withholding the testimony of God's word, because it incites opposition than earlier reformers. Has God given light to His servants in this generation? Napay kahayag igihapag sa Ginoo sa atong time karon mga kaigsunan? Yes. So what shall we do? We should let it shine forth to the world. So diyan kayo mong iwali ang mga balita, dili kang tingali sa tanang mga panahon, pareha ka kang doon sila na mayang reception sa mga isulan. Ito na yung panahon na batuod ka. Okay? Pero simply, we should also take responsibilities on some reasons why people will stone us. Dali na sa mga panahon ng buwali, kiri ang mabingkas ng mananakit. Simply, batuod yun. Eh, sakit-sakit po. Pero kung parang yun ang isulti mo at tinuod lang, without any exaggeration, but in spite of that, you will still be offended, no problem. Because that is the real scenario that will happen in the last days. They will really be offended and they will resist its claims. Okay? So far, now this is a very important reminder to all of us, not only to the preachers, but to all of us. It says, page 622, so far as his opportunities extend, everyone who has received the light of truth is under what? Under solemn and fearful. I don't know, what is the difference of solemn and fearful? Solemn, fearful. Manalo mo kayo sunan? Solemn and fearful responsibility as was the prophet of Israel. Ganun man, kung saan yung responsibility na gihatag